Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health and happiness. Let's dive into today's video and explore powerful ways to improve our well-being. Avocado pit power. 5 uses you'd never believe. The secret ingredient you've been missing. Wait, before you throw away that avocado pit, did you know it's packed with powerful nutrients, beauty benefits, and even gardening magic? From DIY skincare to natural fertilizers, you'll never look at avocado pits the same way again. Let's dive into unexpected uses for avocado pits that might just blow your mind. 1. Avocado pit. Nature's treasure trove. Most people toss out avocado pits without realizing they're a goldmine of benefits. Rich in antioxidants, the pit contains polyphenols that fight free radicals, slow aging, and reduce inflammation. Natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. The tannins inside kill bacteria and fungi, helping to keep your home and body cleaner. A hidden source of fiber when ground. Avocado pits contain prebiotic fiber that supports digestion and gut health. Now, let's explore how you can put this powerhouse to good use. 2. From your kitchen to your garden. Upcycling avocado pits. Instead of tossing that pit, use it to nourish your garden. Compost it. Avocado pits decompose slowly, releasing nutrients into your compost bin for healthier soil. Make DIY fertilizer. Dry the pit, grind it into powder, and mix with water. This creates a natural plant booster packed with minerals. Grow your own avocado tree. Suspend the pit over water with toothpicks, letting the roots sprout. In a few weeks, you'll have a baby avocado plant, a fun and rewarding home gardening project. Would you try growing your own avocado tree? Comment below. 3. Unlocking the beauty benefits. Surprisingly, avocado pits can be your new beauty secret. DIY face scrub and mask. Dry, grind, and mix with honey and yogurt for an all-natural exfoliating scrub. Helps brighten skin and remove dead cells. Make natural fabric dye. Boil the pit and watch it create a stunning peachy pink dye for clothing and crafts. Strengthen hair and reduce frizz. Boil the pit, strain the water, and use it as a natural hair rinse to promote stronger, shinier hair. Which beauty hack will you try first? Tell us in the comments. 4. Avocado pit tea. A wellness elixir. Did you know? You can turn avocado pits into a soothing herbal tea. How to make it? 1. Cut the pit into small pieces. 2. Boil in 3-4 cups of water for 10-15 minutes. 3. Strain and sip. Health benefits. Anti-inflammatory and immune boosting. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Supports digestion and gut health. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation. A warming, earthy tea that's 100% natural. Would you give it a try? Let us know. 5. Sustainability and beyond. Avocado pits aren't just useful at home, they're part of a bigger sustainability movement. Eco-friendly innovations. Some companies are using avocado pits to create biofuel and reduce waste. Others are making biodegradable plastic alternatives from avocado pits. Creative DIY projects. Turn pits into mini sculptures, beads, and jewelry. Challenge. Try carving a design into an avocado pit and share your creation. Would you love to see more eco-friendly avocado hacks? Comment yes if you do. 6. Closing thoughts and call to action. So, next time you eat an avocado, don't throw away the pit. Instead, try composting it for plant health, using it in beauty DIYs, brewing it into a wellness tea, experimenting with creative projects. Which avocado pit hack surprised you the most? Tell us below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support matters. You can also appreciate our work by clicking the join or thanks button below with a small token of support. Remember, your health is in your hands. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. Take care of your body, nurture it with love, and allow it to heal naturally. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a qualified health professional before trying any remedies or lifestyle changes discussed in this video. Your health and safety are our priority.